Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to search posts by date on Facebook PC. We start by entering Facebook. Next, we go to the Posts section. Here we advise you to first place yourself in grid view as it displays the results better. After that, we click on the Filters option. You will see that different filters appear to apply. In this case, we select the filtering year and that the publications are hours. Finally, click on Done, and you will see the result of the publications that you have made in that year. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.